Hi, my name is Gina Antrim, and I'm an SLP and AC therapist, and I have been for the past 9 years. Today we're going to target the core vocabulary word, busy. Busy is an adjective, and busy means when we have a lot of things to do. Now let's find it on our AAC systems. On WordPower 60 Basic on the Touch Chat app from Sotillo, busy.
Busy.
On the LAMP Words for Life app, the full version, busy.
Busy.
On Snap Core First from Toby Donivox, the full 80 grid, busy.
Busy.
Now let's use our word busy for different functions of communication. I could reject and protest and say, no, I'm too busy.
Busy.
I could direct an action and say, hey, get busy doing your chores. I could request an object and say, can I have my busy box? I could express my feelings and say, wow, I am so busy today. I could comment and say, I like staying busy. I could do a greeting and say, hey, busy bee. I could request help and say, if you aren't too busy, can you help me paint